This is your memory coach, Squadron Jaisima, the President World Memory Sports School for India. Welcome on board learning scientific study and memory techniques. In our series, we shall talk about how we can memorize 7 wonders of the world. Everything is a wonderment, but 7 wonders of the world. Latest wonders of the world. What are those 7 wonders? I got something called Taj Mahal, the Colosseum, Chichen Itza, okay, Machu Picchu, okay, Christ the Redeemer, Petra, the Great Wall of China. As of today, these are the 7 wonders of the world. And when you go for any competitive exam, you need to remember all of them. And when you go for interview also, somebody will ask you how to remember. See, your teacher is telling you these are the 7 wonders of the world, but how to remember, they are not telling. So we are going to learn one beautiful technique as to how we can remember. We have to use one method. There is something called visualization method. And we have spoken about this method n number of times. Visualization means imagination, brain and the computer both work in similar fashion. If we type something into the computer, it converts the data into binary code. Similarly, brain, whatever we read, it converts that into pictures. Because brain language is not Tamil, not Hindi, not English, not Telugu, not Kannada, not Chinese. The language is what? Picture language. So when I'm getting these words, okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do now something called substitution. Because substitution means what? If you tell me Taj Mahal, I can imagine Taj Mahal because Agra, that is where I did my engineering from Dayal University. Before I became an Air Force officer, I did my engineering from Agra. So Agra, Taj Mahal, every one of us know. Great Wall of China, this also we know. Why? All of you know Great Wall of China. We heard this name. And I keep doing my programs in China. Regularly I keep doing my programs. And then I had been to Great Wall of China. And all of you know this. So these two, Taj Mahal means I take one Taj Mahal picture. Great Wall of China means I take one picture called wall. Rest of them, the Colosseum, I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute this with some word called colorful. I'm substituting with word called colorful. The next one, right? Now Chichen Itza means what? Now I get something called chicken. Chichen Itza. The next one, Machu Picchu means there's a machine which can make some pickle. Like I'm from Hyderabad, we eat a lot of mango pickle, okay? So different kinds of pickles. So a machine that makes pickles, okay? Now Christ the Redeemer, you know Jesus Christ. You don't have to know anything else, okay? And then next, Petra means what? Petrol. So first step, wherever you don't get pictures, what we should do, if you get the picture, use it as it is. In case you're not able to get a picture, you have to substitute that with something else. What is the substitution? Shikhar Dhawan, while batting, okay, or while fielding, he got injured. What will the captain do? He will send him to dressing room. He will get someone else to do fielding in his place. We call him a substitute fielder. So when I'm not able to get anything, Colosseum, I'm not able to imagine. So colorful. Now Chichen, I don't know, but chicken I can imagine, right? Machu Picchu, I don't know, but machine which can make some pickle, okay? Christ means Jesus Christ. This already I know. Petrol means petrol. Great Wall. So already I got this word wall. So I made some pictures. So now listen. Colorful, chicken, wall, Taj Mahal, Christ, machine, pickle and petrol. So the first step that what you have done is we try to convert them into substitute pictures. Thereafter what you do, you make a small little story, visualize that a colorful chicken, right? It, okay, was climbing the wall and went on top of Taj Mahal, okay? And Taj Mahal there, it met Jesus Christ, okay? And Christ was very happy because this colorful chicken, all the way it climbed the wall, came to Taj Mahal and it came to pray to Jesus. And Christ, what did he do? He gave one machine which could make pickle. So the chicken trying to operate the machine, and in the machine instead of pickle, what was coming? In the machine, no, petrol was coming. Let us make this story, okay? Now close your eyes for a second. Let us check this. One colorful chicken climbed the wall, went on to the Taj Mahal, and there it met Jesus Christ, and then Christ gave a machine which would make pickle, but when the chicken was operating, petrol was coming from the machine. Okay, so now this is the story. So once I got the story, the first word, I'm not seeing this. Colorful means what? Colosseum, right? Now second, chicken means Chichen Itza. The next one is what? Wall. Wall means Great Wall of China. Taj Mahal is Taj Mahal. And then Christ, okay, means what? Christ the Redeemer. Machine picker means now Machu Picchu. And the last one, petrol means what? Petra. So automatically I get all the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, 7 wonders. If you know this story, you can get all the 7 wonders. You have a small baby who is studying in 2nd class, you teach this story, she'll be able to tell you all those 7 wonders of the world. So easy for you, right? Did you really enjoy this simple technique? You want to learn more on this, okay, study techniques. What we should do? You know JSMA Mind Education, my company is the #1 academy on memory in whole country. You can get in touch by calling up these numbers 99850317777, 998504177, or you can log on to my website. You can attend online courses, and then you can mail me at this email ID as well, or you can subscribe to YouTube channel and then stay connected. And we all can grow together in making India a memory literate country, and all of you can become winners. So see you again. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.